off the gas there, buddy.
Before a trial in a fatal hit-and-run case was to begin, a Dallas man took a plea deal today. KRLD's LP Phillips reports the driver could have faced a much longer prison term.
30-year-old Julius Sears now admits he was the driver of a car that struck and killed a 7-year-old.
Today on Thursday, in the 20s, the actual temperature will be in the mid-30s, a little bit warmer heading into your weekend. It is currently 53 here at KRLD.
Whoa. Idiot.
Good afternoon.
God.
This thing was pulling everything off the shelf at the cashier's site.
For credits for prior academic and work experience. Classes are online starting monthly to help you fit a quality education into your busy schedule.
And something else. Water. Get some water. Water? No, water.
Gummy water.
Gummy water. Gummy water. Okay, people not paying attention, go ahead. We're going to Home Depot the other day, and there's Oriental. Are you shitting me?